Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for December 7th to 19th. Before I get to the forecast, I'm going to talk about this current storm system that will be affecting portions of the southeast and mid-Atlantic. Okay, here we are on Thursday morning, 1 a.m. And then I'm going to go forward in time. You start seeing snow starting to develop. Here I am, Friday, 1 a.m. And then I'm going to go forward. And here's the storm system now across Texas, parts of the southern plains. This is 1 p.m. Friday. This is ice or mixed precipitation, and the blue is snow. This is heavy rain and possible storms. This is the GFS that we're looking at right now. I'm going to go forward a time. We start seeing heavy thunderstorms break out across parts of eastern southern Texas into the Arklatex area, and then we have snow here. We have ice. And I'm going to go to 1 p.m. Saturday. Here's the system now. There's cold to high pressure across this area here. And then I'm going to go forward. This is Sunday morning. Now you can see we have probably thunderstorms here across the Gulf Coast states. Rain, heavy rain. And now we have ice and snow across portions of the southeast lower mid-Atlantic. And then I go to 1 p.m. on Sunday. The snow is breaking out here across northern Virginia, West Virginia, into Kentucky, and I think that's as far as it goes. That's the GFS. And then we go to 7 o'clock. Now the storm starts to get wound up. This is 7 o'clock in the evening Sunday, and the storm system gets wound up here. That's the GFS, and then we look at the European. And watch where the 540 line is. It's right here. So probably this area here, there's no precipitation falling in the cold air yet. It's all down here in the warm sector. And then we go through time. Now we start seeing precipitation starting to work in. And the European is further south with the precipitation. Only makes it to Virginia. Southern Virginia. So that's Monday morning. So we're expecting a storm system to develop here. So now we're going to get to the forecast. Oops. Okay, we're going to look at the period for December 7th to 11th. And we have an upper ridge initially crossed Western Canada with a cyclonic flow here across a cold cyclonic flow across the east central states, and this will provide cold air. And then we have a series of Pacific energy moving in to Baja and across the southern states. That'll bring that storm. Okay, now December 10th to the 14th. Here we are at the 10th, and a trough pushes towards the west coast. And we have that pushes this ridge slightly eastward in time as we go through time. So watch it start to spread eastward. And we have a trough along the east coast. So it's pretty much in agreement here. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures for the western states. I'm forecasting anomalies of at least 6 degrees above normal. And then I have below normal temperatures for the central states, and forecast anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees below normal. For precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation for the west coast states, and for this region here, the probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%, and then we have below normal precipitation here. Downplaying this now because I don't think this is going to stay, given a 35% probability of occurrence. Now for December 15th to 19th. A trough is forecast over Alaska into the western states. This pushes the ridge eastward, and the zone goes to pretty almost zonal. And we look at the models here. They're good agreements. So we have this will result in height rise across the east central states. So for this forecast period, this is the best I could come up with. I'm forecasting near to above normal temperatures for much of the nation with anomalies of 2 degrees on either side of normal. And for precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation again for the west coast states and for much of the area east of the Mississippi River. And I'm giving it a probability of 35 to 45%, and then below normal precipitation forecast for this region here, probability of occurrence is 35%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for December 7th to 19th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.